How to turn on or turn off show lockdown mode option on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down, and click on lock screen and always on display. So after click on lock screen and always on display, click on secure lock settings. So after click on secure lock settings, enter your phone pin and click on continue. So if you want to turn on or turn off show lockdown mode option, so you will see show lockdown mode option is here. So if you want to turn on show lockdown mode option, so turn on this button. So after turn on this button, you will see show lockdown mode option is turn on. So if you want to turn off show lockdown mode option, so turn off this button. So after turn off this button, you will see show lockdown mode option is turn off. So you will turn on or turn off show lockdown mode option from here. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can turn on or turn off show lockdown mode option on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.